Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to customize your control center on your iPhone. First, you need to access the control center by swiping down from the top right of your screen. Now to edit it, tap the plus button in the top left corner. You'll know you're in edit mode because all the controls will be highlighted. To remove a control, simply tap the remove icon next to it. You can also remove full screen controls this way. If you want to add a new control, tap Add a Control, and choose from the list. Third-party controls are also available. For example, I'll add the scan code control. As you see, it's now added to the control center. You can rearrange controls by dragging them within the grid. They'll snap into place. To resize controls with a tab, press and hold the tab and then resize the control. You can also add full-screen controls. Swipe to the next page, tap Add a Control, and select the control you want to make full screen. Only certain controls support this. I'll use the connectivity control for this example. To make it full screen, press and hold the tab and drag it to fill the screen. If you want more controls, swipe to the next empty page, click Add Control, and add as many as you'd like. Again, these controls will snap to the grid where you position them. When you're ready, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to exit edit mode. Now you can use your customized control center as usual. And that's how you customize the control center on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching.